So today we're going to carry on winterizing the outboard. Then once that's done, I'm going to carry on with some of the floors in the back, and then we'll see where we're at. Also, I'm going to drain all the water out of the tank, and I'm going to start winterizing also the tanks and making sure there's no water left in the boat that can freeze. Putting some antifreeze in the toilet also, just to make sure we have no surprises in the spring. Okay, so I will try and suck the antifreeze into the engine there. Ay. Okay, that seems to work. That seems to work, but my bucket is, of course, extremely small. I almost managed to pour all the antifreeze in there in one go. So, see if I can make it run small. Maybe I can make it run. No, that's it. So yeah, this is quite an easy way to winterize the outboard engine, as opposed to taking it out. Quick and dirty, if you want to call it. Especially because I have so much to do with the boat this year. I really didn't fancy taking the outboard out, and also it saves me the hassle of having to put it back in place in the spring. And it does take up quite a bit of time to disconnect the electrics, the cables, undo all the screws. It's really a major hassle. So fingers crossed, this should work quite nicely actually. So we got that water drained. So now we need to run some air through the system. Another thing I want to focus on is the panels in the kitchen. You can see that the fridge is actually white, and the panels, the kitchen used to be white, but all the UV light turned it yellow kind of. And I've already checked online. There's some methods to getting it back to how it used to be. So that's also something I'm going to tackle. Get this kitchen back to its former glory. And I've already bought some new handles for the kitchen also, which are quite nice. I can show you here. It's actually quite nice, as opposed to the handles that came with the kitchen. They're quite tacky. They're going to make them plastic and they look quite cheap. So I've got these nice little stainless steel ones, which I'm going to put in place. Yeah, we'll see how that turns out. So here, get some glue in there, some Zickerflex, make sure. Make sure it doesn't fall apart. All right, that looks better. Glue this latch a little bit together. These sandwich panels are not exactly the best. So the boat should be ready for winter, and winters in Germany can be quite harsh. So yeah, you rather want to be safe than sorry. And yes, it gives me a lot more time to focus on the repairs, focus on the floors, focus on the roof in the front, and maybe some panels in the back, and make sure we have a beautiful new boat in the spring. If you like the video, subscribe. See you in the next one.